Again, we're
Ay,
calling
naka-start ka,
for
naka-start ka na.
player
Pero tilabot mo.
I-post mo na, para makita.
Oh, sige, i-post, i-post.
2400.
Okay, game.
Non-master, of course. Again, announcement that the game tomorrow, 10 to 11 will be the technical meeting, 11 to 12 will be the opening ceremony, and the round 1 will start by 1 o'clock. So that means you still have the whole morning to register. Deadline for submission of entry will be 12 noon, so that we can post already the final of may pahabol ba o wala. Okay?
Basta comment.
Ay, tumigil na sila, Eric.
Matawag na. Medyo ko na yung mga tutuan dula ba?
Ha?
Tutuan dula.
Wow, amazing. Bilis man sa itong kinauna na. No. Hindi kaya pala ng... Uy.
Yes, sir. Kalahati lang. Nakalaban tayong kaibigan. Kaya ayaw ko kalaban kaibigan.
Nakakainis ah. So irritating.
Videoan.
Hindi ko alam what type na type kita.
Pag binigay ni Master, binigay ni Master.
Ano pala yun? Hindi ko sabi niya. Defensive player of the year. Defensive player of the year. Pinasok na yan ah. Pinasok na malalim. Lalo malalim. Lalo malalim. Malalim. Tingin ko lang. Ate. Beats na? Yes.
Pit niya, idol, naka-video pa kayo ah.
Video ba? Nakibintay nga? Oo,
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we're playing against